Hello class, how have you been? Today we're going to focus on network communication. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe physical faxing, electronic faxing, and email communication. You should also be able to compare faxing and email communication and check out the advantages and disadvantages. You should also be able to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of using audio conferencing, web conferencing, and video conferencing. Thank you. The only way taking it. Physical faxing. It requires a fax machine and a telephone line. And the disadvantage is that anyone can access the fax document. Email communication can send to multiple attachments. You can send multiple attachments. You can send to multiple recipients. Emails can be received instantly. You can even get notifications about the emails that have been sent. The major disadvantages are the security issues that we talked about. Viruses, spam, phishing, attempts. Electronic faxing. It's also a faxing, but this is sent via the internet. You need an internet connection to be able to send this. You don't need to buy a fax machine. It's sent to an email which will ensure that the correct person received the fax. So less chance of the document being intercepted. And these are some of the advantages of fax over emails. I'd like to mention a few. The major advantage that I feel fax has over emails is that documents can be signed which are legally accepted. Now, you cannot sign documents that are sent via emails. It would not be legally accepted if you do so. Video conferencing. You use both video and sound using an internet connection. And these are some of the hardware that you need. You need a web camera. The web camera inputs your image and sends it over the internet to the other side. The screen or monitor helps you to see those you're talking to. You also have a speaker that helps you hear the voices of, or outputs the voices of people you're talking to, and the microphone, it inputs your sound so that it goes over the internet. Audio conferencing, there are two types. There's the audio conferencing that goes over the telephone network, and this is the process by which that happens. Also, you have the VoIP, which looks like the video conferencing, only that you do not have a webcam. So people who are talking over the VoIP cannot view themselves. An example is your WhatsApp group call or your Skype group calls. We also have web conferences. Some people call it webinar. It has most of the same functions that video conferencing has. But it's done on the computers. Some of the advantages are the participants can join the web conference by clicking on the supplied link from the organizer. So you have a link that is shared and people can join in via that link. Instant messaging feature is also available to communicate with other participants. Participants also can be given permission to speak, so you can mute people at times and then allow them to talk when you want to hear from them. So those are some of the functions that web conferencing has. Thank you.